Providing quality workmanship and superior customer service, KB Garage Doors is your source for the sales, installation, and service of garage doors and automatic garage door openers. As a family-operated business with exceptional staff to serve all your garage door and opener needs, KB Garage Doors supplies professional series garage door openers and high-quality garage doors with a personal touch. Deal directly with the family that offers the professional service you require. Work with KB Garage Doors for all your garage door and opener needs.